Farmers also do a series of maintenance from time to time, especially if they're using the canal system. One of the most effective machines to assist in such tasks is one from the class Heitzma. Aside from its haymow throwing wheel ditch cleaner, it can also easily replace all mowing bucket cranes through its performance. Customers are also guaranteed that silt and mud are efficiently removed from the ditch with the help of its blades. Moving on, we also have this amazing planter from Group Euro Direct, with features for soil preparation. Usually, it's used in pre-ridging or as a ridge cutter. It has 9 different support wheels, which makes it possible to carry up to 2.5 or 3 tons. The tiller's width can also be adjusted either at 75, 80, or 90 centimeters, hence giving the operators more capacity to see the crops and avoid unnecessary damage. Performance is also raised to another level thanks to its smart engineering and hydraulic drive. The Bosley farming machinery has come up with a crop harvester that has a 3-row portable harvesting drive and a backpack storage system. This machine does not only save time, but also cuts down labor costs. Thanks to its V-belt and gear drive belt type powered by a tractor, this allows you to harvest up to 0.8 acres an hour. First, the ear and straw in cornfields should be plucked. Then, these will be placed to the rear hydraulic tilting hopper, which leads us to the final step, or the direct loading to a transporting vehicle. The grain loader system by Loftness is capable of loading massive amounts of grain. It places all the grains in long polyethylene bags with 10 feet diameter and lengths of up to 500 feet and seals it up immediately. By doing such, oxygen level in the bag is reduced while carbon dioxide is increased. This process is crucial in killing the fungus and insects in grains without any chemicals used. Since this is done in a natural way, the process is also much slower, which means that the shelf life of these grains are also longer. Such a useful machine. Kun North America has also graced us with their new generation FC460 mower. This mower has been famous in the market since it offers unique protection for its gears. For example, if the disc goes against an obstacle, the unique disc bearing station protects the mower. The shaft holding the disc is sheared above the bearing, which results in the increased protection of the gears. This is also undoubtedly the leading machine of its kind on the market with the unmatched adaptability and advanced features it has. Finally, we have the OJK13 clearing machine from Suoke1, Oi. This is a screw-type ditcher capable of clearing ditches regardless of what condition they're in. Believe it or not, it can cleat any tree, root, or stump in just one go. This is thanks to its 220 horsepower tractor that can also pull out the peat on both sides of the ditch and spreads evenly across the strip. The 4020 V-Plow is a compact machine capable of installing larger diameter pipes to depths of 1.8 meters. Aside from its design, one of the factors helping this is its V-blade trench method. This also has a GPS control complete with a manual override. Its pipe has a maximum diameter of 200 millimeters coupled with a plow unit that can pivot up to 12 degrees on both sides. Cool, isn't it? Lifting heavy objects is no problem for the Hydro M-Drive Marine Forklift. This is all credits to its features like the hydrostatic drive, easy servicing throttle settings, wired remote controls, and dual directional control pedal, all resulting in smooth and very precise operation. The Mosmatic high-pressure cleaning service offers a wide range of cleaning services for surfaces such as concrete, wood, flagstone, and even graffiti removal or gum removal. Mosmatic can supply effective and efficient cleaning equipment for any type of operation. It has an all-in-one cleaning tool that meets the highest quality, ergonomic design, and durability standards for everyday use. Cleaning effectiveness and efficiency, a fluid recovery system, and a gum remover bracket are among the additional features. The Hydro Trike is a liquid manure processor that is distinguished by a fifth mid-wheel at the front. The purpose of this big wheel is to ensure stable performance in hilly and undulating terrain. A self-contained system drives the mid-wheels. The Hydro Trike is designed with cutting-edge technology, such as sensors that automatically vary manure delivery based on land composition and record the data. It can be equipped with various arms and attachments. It is indeed a work of engineering genius. The Converse C485 mowing boat is a 180cm wide boat that has a 3mm thick steel hull and 2 watertight bulkheads integrated in the hull. This boat also has a separate control compartment and a fully enclosed deck and a tool carrier complete with a quick release system. Believe it or not, all of these just take a 48 horsepower diesel engine to function. Very safe, efficient, and cost-effective. We also have the PDX 1000 Post Driver Attachment by Terra Attachments USA. This is attached to a skid steer or excavators with a simple bolt-on system. It functions as a post-driver tool in operations that involve driving fence posts and The urethane caps of this machine are found on both ends of the breaker, a type of design which isolates the breaker from hitting the mounting plate directly to reduce vibration and noise. On top of that, it also has an enclosed breaker style. All of its features make the job easier for the operator. Now let's go to the MOTY KE3000 Pumpkin Seed Harvester, which is a hydraulically driven harvester with a large screening drum able to handle high capacities. It has an automatic stone protector and can automatically operate level control. It weighs approximately 7,500 kilograms but only consumes 80 to 110 horsepower. This energy efficiency is brought by the reduced fuel consumption and reduced hydraulic oil volume of the machine. If you're searching for a gentle and efficient beet-loading machine, the Halmerterra Phyllis 3 might be for you. With its 18 wear-resistant rollers along with the other features, this has been crowned as the world's most modern beet cleaner. It also has the fastest automatic folding system that provides extreme comfort together with its high-quality performance. It's also fuel-saving and very energy efficient too. Opitz International has one of the best tree transplanters in the market that follows the ice cream scoop concept, meaning a root ball is created in the form of a hemisphere by the machine's diggers. This machine is also good for digging low-lying trees and shrubs since they have shallow working heights. This promises a cheaper cost than seeding up or growing a tree itself. Unlike typical rolling drums that only have 200mm impact reach, this rolling drum compactor from Landpack is able to provide impact that reaches a depth of 700mm. In other words, using this machine would mean a lot of time and costs saved. This three-sided compactor is truly one of the machines with unique designs capable of helping us with our modern needs. Posh Leibniz has successfully manufactured a machine capable of cutting and splitting trunks into small pieces without needing much manual labor. Even if there's only one person assigned, productivity and functionality is not affected. This is thanks to its three main parts working together. First, wood is automatically lifted and fed to the feeding table. Then the saw blade cuts it down into 15cm long blocks. After that, these wood logs pass through knives, so it is split into 4 or 6 parts. Safety is also given much thought with this machine, and it is evident through the light sensors it has preventing accidents from happening. The multi-purpose Watermaster is a machine best in removing trash and invasive aquatic vegetation to develop riverbanks and seashores. Although these are done through excavating and pile driving, this machine is controlled remotely. It just needs to jump into the water and maintain a stable operation through its firm legs. Its robust body and powerful hydraulics make it possible for the Watermaster to crawl freely until reaching the water. Then, operations start with the quickly changeable attachments it has. Truly, the best machine for dredging, piling, and raking. Spraying a 54-meter wide area of crops is now made easier with the AgriFax sprayer. Moving through fields without damaging crops is also possible, since it has thin wheels with spaces between that operators can adjust from 150 centimeters to 225 centimeters. Moreover, it has the GreenFlow Plus system, responsible for keeping the spray pressure on a constant level, so there's little to no drops wasted. Truly one of the most innovative sprayers in the world. The forest and wood industry is really in need of machines that can meet their needs. A perfect example of this is the Diamant 2000 from Bachmer. This machine is best for the production of biomass, solid fuel, and organic mulch, since it has the ability to produce 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour that measure from 15 millimeters to 60 millimeters. Now, fine-tuning any kind of material for a better chip is also made more accessible. In order to save both time and money, the agricultural sector tends to invest more in big and latest tractors and plows, one of which are the ones from Margre, France. This has modern blades and the hydraulic rollers that will surely meet all the needs. Aside from that, stability is also ensured through its rear wheels and its ability to auto-adjust the ground level. Boost your productivity now with this incredible machine. Up next, we have the CleanTech Infra, made to help clean bodies of water from sludge, silt, sediment, and heavy weed growth. This dredger can float on water and can reach up to 50 feet even when rotating 360 degrees, so it easily reaches the waste wherever it is in rivers, canals, and urban areas. With CleanTech Infra, your waste problems in waters are solved immediately. Sugar beet farmers are in awe of this 6-row harvester from AgriFac Machinery. Aside from its productivity, the easy monitoring is also what makes this more ideal for farmers thanks to its 12-inch touchscreen that helps them manage their operations and functions. They also utilize the new Product Plus scalping, which allows the defoliator to be set higher so more space is given between the scalper and the controlling crest, hence giving more protection to the harvested beet against damage and loss. Next is the Chemrock Chain Cutter EK140. It usually works with the installation of pipes, electric cables, or drainage systems. It is a piece of construction machinery used to dig up trenches in either medium or hard rock up to 1 meter in width. It comes in sizes ranging from walking behind models to attachments for skid loaders and tractors to track large machinery. This machine functions as both a cutter and a trencher. Artificial subsurface drainage is a method used worldwide. This is the process of removal of the water that has infiltrated into the soil in excess of the amount that can be held by capillary forces against the force of gravity. It uses perforated pipes and this wheeled trencher. With the help of this machine's toothed metal wheel, the soil can be digged up easily. The K-Tech 1263 ADT is also known as the world's largest pull pan scraper. This can move millions of pounds and is built to handle even the longest hauls. Its ultra-high capacity bolt-together design allows easier maintenance and more affordable international container shipping. It also has a standard roller push block on the back of the scraper smoothly matched for push support loading. This is done to provide swift cycle times of the 63 cubic yard heaped capacity scraper. Antigo Construction is the best company to consult for pavement rehabilitation. This powerful 8600 Badger breaker machine can provide complete services for concrete pavement, cracking and seeding, and braking. This machine is equipped with an 8-foot wide, 12,000-pound hammer that aids in its tasks and functions. Its drop height can also be electrically adjusted from 0 to 9 feet. It is also self-propelled, rubber-tired, guillotine-style concrete pavement breaker. The Cord King CS2740 is a machine that produces 8 to 9 full cords per hour and is powered by a 125 horsepower John Deere or CAT turbo diesel engine. This is made possible by its 60-inch carbide tooth slasher saw and cut and split cycle time of every 3.5 seconds, as well as its 42-ton splitter force and operator safety cage with roof and deluxe seat. In total, it has a maximum log diameter of 27 inches, and its maximum log length is 40 inches. Aside from its laser navigation, remote monitoring, and control, the Epiroc Mobile Miner 55V is the perfect machine for tunnel extensions. Through its automatic rock cutting mechanism, its 17-inch disc cutter can handle materials and can move vertically or horizontally easily. Truly an effective way to boost productivity levels. Thanks to its oversized hoop, the tube-line Bale Wrapper 6500 is able to wrap 3x4 by 6 foot bales. It also has the twin wrap kit that enables it to handle 2 rolls of film and pass them through a single stretcher at once. This can activate the wrap's bonding compound, which forms a strong 2-ply layer of film. This layer of film stands up to tough hay stalks and folds them over, helping to prevent piercing of the wrap. Basically, this is combining 2 sets of 2 rolls for a total of 4, but still making sure that the same protection is added to each of them. If you want to increase profitability while decreasing both time, labor, and costs, this is for you. Then we have the Groundmaster 4000D, a 55 horsepower, 335 centimeter rotary mower. This can swiftly mow through a variety of cutting conditions, since it can travel 16.2 miles per hour and is also powered by the Yanmar turbo diesel. Aside from that, it has a trustworthy powertrain due to its engine throttle by wire. Power efficiency is also met thanks to its auto idle mode, automatically turning off the machine once it sits idle for more than 5 seconds. But this also has an impressive recovery time, which helps a lot. Before we end, we'd like to let you know that we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching.